Alright guys, Steven here, back in another video. As you saw in the last video, I don't know how long ago you saw that, but yeah, I'm gonna try to chug Sprite. I did take a couple sips, but they weren't big. Here's how filled up it looks like. And yes, this is Sprite. This isn't like water or anything, I swear. You can see the carbonation. But yeah, Sprite, I'm gonna try to drink it without burping. So yeah, let's give this a go. Right? Here's the Sprite. All right, 3. It's really like not how fast you do it, it's if I do it. All right, so I'm just gonna start, I guess. Also, I can talk through this. It's not like I have to like chug. I just have to drink until not burping. So probably gonna be pretty easy. It's spicy. I almost burped there on accident. Oh. Hey guys, look, this is my crib. Feel it right here. So like, and I'm not even halfway done. This is harder than it looks. Well, I feel it building up right here. Like I want to burp, but I can't. I almost did this with a 2-liter once. I think I got like halfway. Alright, so yeah guys. Yo, watch this. Point the camera over there. You guys ready? Watch, I'll flick it. Holy crap, that actually went far. I'll pick that up after. Alright guys, I'm like up to here. Up to here. I really feel it like bulging up. Holy crap. I really feel it. Stop, like I feel like I'm actually gonna burp. What's happening? Holy crap. I'm still gonna finish this. Even though I lost. Dude, it literally like came back up. Like I could not swallow it. The burp was right here. Alright, I'm literally almost done, so. Last sip. Complete. I did not burp. Don't look at that, don't look at that. Sorry guys. Yeah. Dude, let's go. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it. I did fail. But yeah.